Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite and you need to do a hard reset on it and you don't have the PIN key. We can actually bypass that PIN key in the screen lock and remove it completely. Now this is going to wipe everything else off the phone, but if you're ready to do that, it's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is have your phone turned off, and then we're going to turn it on by pressing the power and volume up buttons simultaneously, pressing and holding it until the phone vibrates and turns on. And once you get to that, you'll get to a similar menu like this, and using the volume keys, you need to toggle through until you see that recovery mode is selected on the menu, and then hit the power button to select that. And once you hit that, it will open up this recovery menu where we can use the volume keys to toggle down to wipe data, factory reset, and hit the power button to select. Once we do that, we can toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to confirm, keeping in mind once we hit the power button, there's no going back. Everything will be deleted and wiped off of the phone. So you can go ahead and hit that. And while you're waiting for that to reset, if you're interested in getting $200 for free from Chase, they will give you $200 for free just for signing up for a credit card. I have a link in the description. But anyways, once that is finished, it will come back to this menu and you can hit reboot system now, and the phone will turn off and turn back on like it was when it came out of the box.